Members of the Board of Trustees of Xavier Agricultural Extension Service Foundation Incorporated gave us a few minutes to present to you the updates of the projects we had implemented. First, resource enhancement in agriculture through household and community participation, or REACH2. This project has 5 objectives. 1. Increase the income of 1,835 farming households by 30%. As of April 30, 2016, 1,950 households were assisted and received the following inputs. Budded rubber seedlings. The target is 126,765. The actual release is 125,556. Large animal, the target is 210. The actual release is 219 heads. Swine, the target is 1,833 heads. The actual release is 1,897 heads. Native chicken, the target is 5,500 heads. The actual release is 5,555 heads, and many others. The result of this objective number 1, 70% of the recipients of the agricultural inputs registered an increase in income from 5 to 35%. Another effect of objective number 1, a total of 251 hectares of farmer recipients' farms were planted with rubber. Objective number 2, that 1,835 farming households will plant 4 different fruit and tree crops for food security and sustainability. In this objective, 90% or 1,651 of the project participants were able to plant different species of food and root crops, which measures 2,000 to 4,000 square meters. These root crops, cassava, sweet potato, and gabi, saved them from hunger caused by this long dry season called El Niño. 42 demonstration farms were established. 567 hectares of hilly farms were contoured. 1,835 farmer participants applied the farming techniques we learned from the different trainings conducted. Objective number 3, 13,900 individuals will have access to safe drinking water through construction of 9 level 2 water systems. And out of this objective, there were 9 water systems constructed, which benefited 13,914 individuals in terms of safe and accessible drinking water.
Sa among panahon pa kaniadto, abot na mo diri, ang mga tao nag-antos yun pagkalisura kay sa tubig. Labay nga ron panahon sa tinginit, pero ting lisura gyud dinhi sa barangay San Jose. Dayon sa pag-abot niya ning project sa SAIS, nakita na mo nga maayo ang project sa SAIS. Dunay koordinasyon sa barangay, LGU, ug labas tanan yun dako ang pundo nga gigahin sa SAIS. Ug gikan kaniadto sa muntar niya ni hantod karon maayo ang dagan. Una nga pag-abot niya ng tubiga, niya naman hinduol na ang tubig, niya na sa tugaran, na naganiskiliran, na sa kusina. Misaka na sa kusina ang tubig. Muna nga nalipay gyud mi kaayo, nga miabot na ng tubiga. O nga ang kalipay dili gyud malitok sa pulong nga gibati sa katawan ni imong barangay. Kay ang expansion karon dili lang kay sa sentro ra, niya na sa mga distrito ang distribution sa tubig. Yung na pagpatawag pod sa ang director, meeting dito, mangumusta siya unsa naman ang dagan, wala ba mga kapalpakan o naabay kalambuan, ingon ana. Pero bahin sa kalambuan tinod na milambo yun, kay doon na may dakong pundo na dito sa bangko. O gari gigamit na muna para expansion sa nagkalain ng hilit sa among barangay.
These water systems were operated by Bawasa for its sustainability, meaning they have a set of policies and guidelines as well as tariff rates. Objective number 4, that 564 households and 9 schools will build sanitary toilets. As an outcome of this objective, the project was able to construct 705 toilets in 705 households.
Dako kay katabang gihatag sa taga-sais diri sa among barangay, dili lang sa para nako kinatibukan barangay kay hapit tanan magyud naka-avail man diri. Labi sa napakani kabaw, napay mga chicken. O nakita nako na usog na kaayo ang dagan sa karon ng mga taga-barangay, mga katawhan diri sa among barangay. Ang number 1 gyud sa CR gihatag nila na reduce na kaayo ang mortality rate diri sa among barangay tungod limpyo na kaayo labi na ang tubig, potable drinking water gihatag sa sais diri. O makita na mo wa mga kabatan-unan pod wa nay mga sakit. Midwife nato diha makaingon reduce na kaayo ang unsa diri ang mga sakit diri sa mga katawan. Og nalamdagan po ng mga katawan diri kay napoy mga seminar gipahigayon taga-sais diri haron para ma-alleviate ang poverty situation diri sa among barangay.
Second, the project were also able to construct 8 school toilets benefiting 6,200 pupils and teachers of 8 elementary and high schools in 3 municipalities of Zamboanga del Norte. Objective number 5, that 24 communities will be organized into associations, cooperatives, and bawasas. The effect or the outcome of this objective, 156 leaders were trained in leadership, organizational management, facilitating skills, financial management, as well as conflict management. 9 bawasas were functioning well. They have their own funds being managed for maintenance and operations. And at the same time, meeting and collections of tariff were regularly done. There were 12 farmers associations organized with capital build-up used as revolving credit fund. 6 women's groups were also organized and teamed up with their lending projects to their members. Also, there were 5 cooperatives that were strengthened and monitored, and 1 indigenous people's group organized. In overall, there were 33 people's organizations organized, strengthened, monitored, and mentored.